Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Bilal Haider and you are watching Before Bilal. Guys, you may have seen luxury and expensive cars in your life. In these days, car industries are very busy in making outstanding cars. But in this video, I am going to tell you about most expensive and rare cars ever made in history. So let's count down. Number 9, Ferrari 250 Testarossa. Guys, Italian manufacturers have made this unique Ferrari 250 in 1950s. And in Italian, Testarossa means a red head. This car has remained one of the famous cars of racing history. Ferrari's company Gold Age was started by making this unique Ferrari 250 Testarossa. This car has 300 horsepower engine. Ferrari company has made 22 pieces of Testarossa, and the first prototype of this Testarossa was presented in 2011's auction, and this car was sold in $16.4 million. Of number 8, Ford GT40 Gulf. Guys, the amazing car which you are looking is made by Ford company. The Ford company produced this masterpiece in 1968 at America. This car is also considered as one of the most expensive cars ever sold in auctions. Ford company made this car to compete the Ferrari on long distance. Well, the shape of this car was very much pretty, and then it was used in historical races and rallies. It has been used in Hollywood movies due to its unusual and unique look. After all, it was sold in an auction at the price of $11 million. At this cost, you can buy dozens of Lamborghinis. Number 7, Mercedes-Benz 540K. Guys, this car has remained the royal vehicle of Mercedes company, and it is really looking Prince right. This car was manufactured by Germans in 1936. At that time, Iranian and Romanian kings used this car as their ride. This car has remained favorite of every royal person of that time. Adolf Hitler and Jack Warner, who were the owner of Warner Film Industry, has also used this car. Mercedes company made only 32 pieces of Benz 540K. A man took it to America in 1940s and it was parked 14 years in his garage, and then his grandson restores it, and you won't believe that this car was sold in 11.8 million US dollars in an auction. This is really craziness of car lovers. Number 6, Bugatti Type 41. Guys, this car is named as Royale of Bugatti, and the reason behind it is its outstanding quality. This unique car was made in 1927 and it is considered as most luxurious car ever made by hand. Tori Bugatti, owner of Bugatti company, decides to make 25 pieces of this car, but he could make only 6 pieces and 4 of them were sold. Remaining 2 pieces could not be sold due to its high price, and remaining 2 cars were remained in the custody of Bugatti family. And in 1950s, it was sold in 5.5 million US dollars, which was very expensive car at that time. Number 5, Ferrari 250 GTO. Guys, Ferrari GTO was manufactured in 1962. Only 36 cars were made of this model, and it is the most expensive car ever sold in history. And this car was in the custody of a car collector, Pope Popolardo. This car has remained at him since 1974. Few years ago, Popolardo decides to sell it, and in auction, it was sold in 38.15 million US dollars. This is one of the most expensive car ever sold in history. Number 4, Lamborghini Miura. If you are discussing cars, you could not miss Lamborghini Miura. Lamborghini Miura was made in 1960s. It was the first supercar of the world, which consists rear mid-engine 2-seat layout. Its concept was launched in 1964 and it was the very fast production of that time. The car which you are looking was purchased by a gentleman in 1960s, and after his death it was found in his garage, and a lucky car collector found this this car and restore it. It again comes back in its original position, and it is not less than a treasure in this time. Number 3, Mercedes-Benz 770. Guys, this classic and luxury car which you are looking was made by Mercedes company in 1930s, and this car has been used by various historian people like Hitler, Pope, and Japanese King Hirohito are also from those people. It was the most amazing car of that time. It was tiny large, and rider feels like a prince at this car. It was the favorite car of the Germany's royal peoples. Most of these cars were destroyed in World War II. Now only 7 cars of Mercedes-Benz are found in the world. One of them is parked in the Canadian War Museum. Number 2, Ferrari F40. Guys, these days people's debate on Ferrari and Lamborghini, that which one is best from them. Well, this red Ferrari was made by Ferrari company in 1987 at its 14th anniversary. That's why it was named as F40. This car reached a speed of 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Its engine consists 778 horsepower engine. It was the first car of the history which confuses the car industries due to its speed of 308 kilometers per hour. It was the last car made by owner of Ferrari company. At that time he was 19 years old and then he died. It was the fastest car of that time, but yet it is considered as the most expensive car in the world. Number 1, Bugatti Type 57 SC. Guys, Bugatti company made this car in 1936. After that, since 50 years, it has been remained as the most expensive car of the world. Only 3 cars were made of this type, but now only 2 cars are present in the world. Guys, Bugatti company re-released this unusual 1936, and in auction it was sold in 38 million US dollars. At this cost, you can purchase all the showrooms of cars of your city, but there is no deficiency of car lovers in the world. So guys, don't forget to comment your ideas regarding the most favorite car of you.